This is your belly fat burn, a really quick cardio core routine that you are going to love. It is very fast, it is very effective, and you want to finish strong all the way through to the end. Hit that subscribe button if you are loving these workouts. It really helps us creators. My name's Rebecca-Louise. I'm going to guide you every single step through this workout, so let's hit those abs. We're gonna get started straight away into those high mountain climbers. We're gonna take it slow and controlled, and then we are going to speed it up. Modified version, you can come down to your knees, and then as the seconds go past, I want you to go faster. As the seconds go past, you get a little bit faster, and then you're bringing those knees in towards your chest. Here we go, come on, for 15 seconds, and then at 10 seconds, we're gonna speed it up even more. Here we go for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, quickly rotate those wrists from left to right. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale everything out. Bring those hands back to the top of the mat, and we're gonna take it into some shoulder plank taps. Modified, you're gonna come down onto your knees, but bring your feet up. You want to make it a little bit more challenging, you're going to come up onto your toes. Here we go. 30 seconds is on the clock. Keep everything else nice and still. We are burning the lower body fat. We are burning the ab fat. Now, we can't always target fat, but what we can do is target the area we want to build muscle, and then we can sculpt and tone our body. All right, here we go, but we're going to burn fat all the way through today. Come on, for 3, and 2, and 1, and release. Now gently flipping all the way over onto your back, we're gonna take it into some nice straight bicycles. So here you go. You wanna bring your hands out to the side, lifting up through your chest. Now single bicycles. Again, we're gonna start this slow to get the form correct, and then we're going to speed it up. Really important here, listen to my cue. Tuck your hips underneath. Now we're getting a little bit faster. Bring those elbows wide out to the side. Here we go. Lift the chest up a little bit more. And we're coming into that 10 seconds. Now let's go even quicker. Bring the chest up even more. Elbows wide out to the side. Point your toes for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release all the way down. Okay, we're gonna bring your hands. We're gonna tuck them underneath your booty. We're gonna squeeze those glutes nice and tight, and we're gonna tuck your hips underneath. No gap between your back and your mat. And this time, we are gonna do a running mat. We're gonna flex the feet. And all I want you to do is run. You're gonna come a little bit lower, and then you're gonna run all the way back up to the sky. Again, we're gonna start slow. And then we're going a little bit faster at that 20-second mark. Here we go. Now coming all the way back up to the top. That's it. And now as we get to those 10 seconds, we're going to go even quicker. Here we go. Now run it out as fast as you can. Up and down. Breathe through it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right, we're going to take it into our single leg opposite hand touch. Okay, so all we're going to do right here is one leg up, we're going to come down, and then we're going to switch over to the other side. So extend, lifting up through your chest. This elbow, you want to stay nice and wide. And all you're doing is alternating. Right, we're at that 20-second mark. Let's speed it up just a little bit more. Here we go. Come on, and flex. Point that toe and really straighten that leg. That's it, you've got this. Then bring those feet on the outside of your mat. Right, 10 seconds left. Speed up just a little bit more. Come on, here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right, we're going to come all the way back up into those mountain climbers. So coming back, bring your hands at the top of your mat. And now we're going to bring those knees in one at a time. Come up onto those toes and those knees in slow and controlled. We've got this. 30 seconds is on the clock. Bring one knee in at a time, and then we're going to get speed up a little bit more at that 20-second mark. Here we go. All right, bring those knees in towards your chest. Keep on smiling. Remember, we start strong. We finish what? We finish stronger. Now bring those knees in for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. All right, our final exercise, we're going to flip all the way over back onto our backs, and we are going to take it into your straight bicycles. Okay, so bring your hands behind your head, lifting up those knees. Now tuck your hips under. So important right here because we are working on that belly fat that we want to make sure that we are tucking our core. Now lifting up through the chest, taking it nice and slow. Get those legs down just a little bit lower towards the ground. Bring those elbows wide out to the side and give yourself a smile. Here we go. Now speed it up. Here we go. Come on, we're going to finish super strong right here for the final 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Elbows wide for 3, 2, 1. And gently release. And boom, 5 minutes on the dot. We crushed it. We didn't have much rest right there. Now remember, if you love longer workouts, we've got everything available on the Burn app. If you're like, I could just do with an extra 5, 10 minutes right here, then put 10 or 5 in the chat below, and I'm going to give you a 5-minute one and a 10-minute one, and I want you to keep on going today to get those results. Awesome job. Let's keep on crushing it.